In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in ActiveCampaign. If you're looking to organize your contacts more effectively and streamline your marketing efforts, tagging is a fantastic tool to help you do just that. First things first, let's get started by logging into your ActiveCampaign account. If you've already got an account, simply head to the login page and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you're ready for the next steps. If you're new to ActiveCampaign, it's worth taking a moment to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with some of the features available, as they will be useful in managing your campaigns. Once you're logged in, you need to navigate to the Contacts section. You'll find this on the main menu, usually on the left side of the screen. This section houses all of your contacts and is where you can manage, organize, and view individual profiles. It's essentially the hub for all your contact management tasks. Now that you've accessed the Contacts section, the next step is to open a specific contact profile. You can do this by finding and clicking on the contact's name. This will open up a detailed view of that contact's profile. Here, you can see all kinds of valuable information about the contact, such as their past interactions, any ongoing campaigns they're part of, and most importantly for our task today, the tags attributed to them. Within this contact profile, you should look for the Tags section. This is typically located somewhere near the top of the profile, allowing you easy access to add or modify tags. Tags are incredibly useful for categorizing and segmenting your contacts. They enable you to group contacts based on interests, behaviors, or any other criteria that's important to your marketing strategy. Once you've located the Tags section, you'll see an option to Add Tag. Click on this option, and a field will appear where you can type the name of your new tag. This is a critical moment, so you'll want to make your tag name as descriptive and intuitive as possible. A clear, specific tag name helps you to maintain an organized system and allows you to quickly identify and manage groups of contacts later on. After you've typed in the name of your new tag, the final step is to press Enter or click Save. This action will create and apply the tag to your selected contact, and just like that, you've added a tag in ActiveCampaign. Tags can be applied to multiple contacts, enabling personalized and targeted communication across your entire database. Before we wrap it up, I want to mention that when used effectively, tags in ActiveCampaign can significantly boost the efficiency of your marketing campaigns, helping you deliver more relevant and timely messages to your audience. Remember, the key is consistency and clarity in tag naming. Thanks for joining me today, and happy tagging.